No matter what happens in life, be good to people. Being good to people is a wonderful legacy to leave behind. It hurts when you realize you are not as important to someone as you thought you were. If you judge people, you have no time to love them. Butterflies remind me that changes is not always easy, but it is worth it. Enjoy the life today. Yesterday is gone and tomorrow may never come. Never give up. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse. But the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Train your mind to stay calm in every situation. Don't give up because of one bad chapter in your life. Keep going. Your story does not end here. Everything will be fine. It's just a matter of time.